Sometimes I get lost in my own thoughts and I wonder, where does a noob start off in the cryptocurrency space? What steps are needed for the newbie to understand concepts such as fixed supply versus unlimited supply, or technical analysis like Fibonacci and Elliott waves? I have developed this desire, like the pursuit to identify who Satoshi Nakamoto is, but I have come up with a solution to paint the perfect picture on which investing strategy suits you best. This guide will certainly determine which type of investor you may be in the cryptocurrency space. And you know what? I really do wish that I came across a similar video when I ventured out into the crypto wild west, because there is lots of misinformation and misleading content that could be overwhelming at the same time. So, should you be a trader? Should you be an investor? Or should you just be a straight up shill? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. And I do apologize for the climatic music that makes you feel as though a White Walker from Game of Thrones is just gonna, pop out of nowhere and just come chasing right after you. But, It's the crypto lifestyle, baby! Hey, what is up, crypto lifestylers? My name is Francis and welcome back to another video. I hope you are having an absolutely blessed weekend. I just want you to imagine for a second that you're at a blockchain expo right now, and in front of you I will be the presenter of different characters that reside in the cryptocurrency space, if you will. So let's see who we got up first. The Bitcoin futures day trader. Yeah, this guy has a very special ability, and that is to sound much smarter than what he really is. His ultimate goal is to jump in and out of the markets while making a quick profit. He's by no means a long-term investor, but he's all about that quick moolah, those short-term gains. Think of him like a boxer. All he does is stick and move, stick and move, stick and move, in and out of trades. What they don't disclose to you, however, is how much they actually lose. This character ends their TA by saying the graph is telling them that the markets could either go up or down. This line of work can be a grind, but if you could showcase the ability to make quick decisions and leave your emotions out the door, you may be able to make a quick buck or a quick profit in the short term. So quit while you're ahead and spend no more than 15% of your time day trading Bitcoin futures. Let's see who's up next.
By the way, John, our analyst indicator could go a heck of a lot higher than that. Your profit on a mere $6,000 investment would be upwards of $60,000. Exactly, you could pay off your mortgage.
The Shiller. Historically criticized because he is like the guy who sells books on how to make money. But he only really makes money on selling the books on how to make money. Very valid critiques. These guys are nothing but great marketers, and that's a great skill to have, but hey, don't ever comment that on their YouTube channel because you will instantly get banned, and they actually have a very strong following and community support that wouldn't take well to that, where you may find yourself turned into a viral meme, and nobody should ever have to experience that. Shillers are dependent on two things: you using their leveraged trading links, my link, use my link, use my link, or you investing into a coin that they already own bags of at a cheaper price. Many people prefer this route because it's a very lucrative line of work which doesn't involve much risk or any upfront investment. Now, who do we got remaining on this list? The HODL investor. This poor fella invested everything he owned into Bitcoin when it was at his all-time high of 20k. Now all he got left is a t-shirt and a pillow because he listened to his favorite YouTuber. This type of investor is likely to limit their attempts to time the markets because the philosophy is, this way they wouldn't lose money or make less money than by simply hodling onto the coins. When he's not sleeping, you can find him lurking in Telegram chats asking, when Moon, when Lambo, when Binance. Yeah, this type of investor is pretty much useless, I'm not gonna lie to you, because they put their life on hold waiting for the bulls to come out of hibernating so they can flip their $100 into $500. However, it's important to note that his buy and hold strategy makes him look like an absolute genius when the market goes into a mini rally. Then he becomes clutch. Well, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching that ridiculousness in its entirety, and smash like as well. Thank you in advance. But those are the most common types of personalities or methods on how to invest into the cryptoverse today. Let's put jokes aside though, there really is no right or wrong way, whichever method suits your needs, your lifestyle, and more importantly, your goals. The main takeaway from this video is I wanted to share with you my perspective on things that I have picked up and learned in the 3 years I've been in this space, things others have taught me, things I'm currently practicing, and my goal is to put goodwill into the marketplace. And I hope this video served you well. So let me know below, what type of investor are you? Are you the HODL investor? Are you the day trader? Or are you the shill? So until the next one, you know what I'm going to say, so I'm not even going to say it. Actually, I'm going to say it. You're on your own. Later.
I gotta be honest, man, I don't understand it. Your content ain't up to par, I think we all demand it. Your shit lies, I know you feel shit inside. TCL lifestyle, you can beat mine. You don't want the smoke, bring it cause it's eat time. You don't know this crypto life, you tried it cause the buzz high. Fake YouTubers and fake gas ammo. It's the crypto lifestyle, don't fake the shit on your channel. Content created came from TCL. You hate hard, but you know I'm gonna wish you well.